What's up everyone, it's Dr. Andrew. Today we're going to be looking at our back, specifically the thoracic spine, right here mostly in between the shoulder blades, and how to increase our extension. A lot of us have problems with extending the back. Most of us work on computers, and honestly, most of the things that we do are right here in front of us. So we tend to be in this curved back posture. So what we really need to do in order to help alleviate some of that stress is go into more extension of the thoracic spine. The thoracic spine is the one right there in the upper middle back, in between the shoulder blades. Typically that's where people feel a lot more hunched over. So if we can increase some extension, we can really reduce a lot of people's pain. Okay, so what are some good ways to improve trunk extension? Well, first of all, since this is a really tight area on most people, a lot of times people compensate when they try to stretch it. So when people try to go into extension, basically all they're doing is neck extension and then their low back extension, and then that middle part of the back doesn't really move much. So in order to try to really limit the amount of compensation that we do, what we're going to do is do these stretches in a seated position. So we're sitting in a chair, and to start off with, real simple, all we're going to do is have our hands right here on our knees. Okay, and now we're going to poke the chest out like this, and we're going to pull our shoulders back and try to bring our shoulder blades together. While we do that, while we poke the chest out, pull the shoulder blades together, we can bring our neck back in order to get a little bit more of extension in the thoracic spine, and then relax. Okay, so what does that look like from the side? So we're here. Okay, we're going to pull our shoulders back, bring our chest forward, and bring our head back like this. And we're really squeezing the shoulder blades, pulling the head backwards, and poking that chest out to get some of that thoracic extension, and then relax. And we want to do that, hold it for about 15 to 20 seconds, and then you can repeat it anywhere from 5 to 10 times. Okay, so the next stretch we're going to do to increase our thoracic extension is kind of the same thing that we just did, but now we're going to try to bend our back over something, and in this case, it's again going to be the chair. So I'm going to show you sideways. We're sitting in a chair, and we want the top of the chair to hit us about right under the shoulder blades, right just underneath the shoulder blades. So you can put your hands here on your chest, or you can open up and put your hands here behind your head. I'm going to put my hands on the chest and show you what we're going to do. You're going to lean back. You're going to lean back over the chair and lift those hands up and just try to relax back into extension. And then come back. We're going to hold that for about 10 to 15 seconds and then repeat it 5 to 10 times. Well, that's it for the thoracic spine and improving extension range of motion. I hope you found this video helpful, and now go do it yourself at home. We'll see you next time.